Hello everybody, thank you for being here. I'm Ilaria Berletta from Chalmers University of Technology, and I'm with the rapporteur of Group 10. And even if they are not here anymore, I would like to thank you heartily, my group mates, Flavian, Jacopo, and Claudia. I understand your situation, you are tired, so I would like to hope that I will be quicker and more effective as I can. So, from the beginning, issue, concern, and trends. We mixed it up a little bit, the concept of issues and the concept of concerns, since sometimes would so hard to distinguish them. But first of all, we can talk about the increase of electricity consumption and resources shortage, and the trend regarding world that beginning more complex, and as a consequence, the issue is more specialization is required from people and from their skill, and as everybody think in his own social sustainability. So everyone is developing some certain specific idea about what is social sustainability. So then the need to keep and retain and boost working knowledge and working experience of people and employees, and shift from product to service provision. We can think about, for example, the automotive sector, but also other sectors as well. And then longer life of people and changing the composition of the society and the global growing population. Then the last three one are more or less connected to the topics of population. And then, first of all, we didn't focus on a certain topic. That's why we didn't put a certain title, because as we will see further, we develop in several alternatives or several goals or scenarios. So we didn't put any title, but we embracing most of all the dimension of the layer of ecosystem. And regarding the actors, for sure, we identified customers, for example, regarding the switch to product to servicization, so I'm more focusing on customer. And then the challenge of meeting needs and knowledge of young people and all the old employees as well, and legal entities when it comes to policy and so on, and a researcher and national education system. And regarding the goals, we identified more or less 4 goals, putting together our suggestion, and we identified ICT and change of people mindset as an enablers of ecosystem to boost innovation. So these 2 factors are recognized as an effortlessly enabled that can improve the ecosystem to be seen not only as something abstract, but as a living organism that could be studied, that could be understandable by the other people in the company. And regarding the energy efficiency, improve the energy efficiency at the highest rate than increasing boost and increasing consumption. And lastly, developing a culture and a sensitiveness regarding resource consumption and sustainability. So putting together the actors, the goals, and our enabling factor, we developed some 2 or 3 scenarios, basically dealing with the culture, the importance of boost education, as pointed out before. So to develop some scenario in which the attention of national countries, as pointed out here, national education system, and attention of researcher and attention of society is focused on taking care of education from the scratch to children or to the society in order to being able to understand and develop a culture, a sensitiveness about sustainability and social sustainability. And so regarding, for example, the economic enabling factor, taxation decrease in order to boost manufacturing sustainability and investment in this. Social cultural factors, ecosystem itself as an enable to knowledge sharing. So taking care about being aware about the fact that an ecosystem exists and how can exploit this knowledge to boost knowledge sharing. Create some windows of opportunity in which to explore several aspects of social sustainability to improve this awareness. And don't forget the diversity into the organization, into the society, with all the advantage that diversity can support, and dissemination of researchers' work in order to help the national system and the national system and culture to pay attention to this topic. Regarding technological factor, as seen before, ICT as an enable factor to boost knowledge improvement and technological efficiency as well. Legal factor, social inclusion policies, and strategy and policies for long-term inclusion of workers. And lastly, an environmental to boost the attention and policy and taxation advantages regarding the use of renewable resources. And we added another dimension that was a goodwill effort, so a sensitivity of people to really go towards this goal. The benefits are, for sure, in going towards this goal is an healthier world and a better quality of life, pollution decrease, continuous improvement of working procedure. For example, if you think about the fact that young people can benefit from knowledge of employees, older employees, but even could be a bilateral exchange of knowledge. For example, old people can reconsider some aspect and then can improve their knowledge and improve the global processes and procedure in the company. And higher quality of knowledge in the factory for this fact, and at last, better awareness of social sustainability benefits. That's it. Thank you.